Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you through how to automatically post using MKT Care software. First, we need to scan group UIDs based on specific keywords, which will help you easily find and reach potential customers on Facebook. By entering keywords related to your business field, the software will automatically scan and collect the UIDs of groups with relevant content. This allows you to quickly join high engagement groups, participate in discussions, and target the right audience. This process saves you time compared to manual searching and helps optimize your Facebook marketing strategy. We'll export the UIDs to an Excel file for easier tracking and to use those UIDs for posting. In this video, I will walk you through a detailed tutorial on how to use MKT software to automate posting on Facebook, providing an effective solution for anyone involved in online business, advertising, or marketing on this popular platform. Managing multiple Facebook accounts, scheduling posts, and keeping your content fresh can be overwhelming if done manually, but with MKT software, everything becomes much more manageable. The software allows you to automatically post to multiple Facebook accounts simultaneously, saving you a tremendous amount of time and effort in handling your social media presence. Instead of having to switch between accounts and post manually, MKT does the work for you. Freeing up your time to focus on more strategic tasks, a standout feature of MKT software is its ability to schedule posts. You can plan your content in advance and set it to be posted during the most active times of the day, what we often call the golden hours, to maximize visibility and engagement. This feature is especially useful for businesses and marketers looking to optimize their reach and increase interactions with their audience. In addition, the software's content rotation feature ensures that your posts remain varied and interesting, preventing the repetition of the same material. This is crucial in keeping your audience engaged and maintaining a fresh, dynamic presence on their feed. By avoiding repetitive posts, you can significantly boost your organic engagement, attracting more likes, comments, and shares from both new and existing followers. Moreover, MKT software is not just a tool for posting. It also provides you with a streamlined way to manage multiple Facebook accounts, groups, and fan pages, all from a single interface. This comprehensive dashboard gives you full control over your social media activity, allowing you to monitor and adjust your campaigns easily, without the need to switch between different platforms or accounts. Security is another imp.